Welcome to the second part of my summer's tour series. This house, we are in Mesta Park in Oklahoma City, within walking distance of Uptown, really close to a lot of food and shopping. And this house, I mean, just from the outside, front porch, super cute. This house is actually listed just under $1 million. It's around 2,800 square feet. But this house is almost 120 years old, but has been completely redone and kept so many elements of the charm, but also updated really, really nicely. And so when you walk in, you've kind of got this foyer with a built-in bench there. And then you've got your living room here. Really good sized living room, really big, pretty windows overlooking the front street. And you'll notice that brick, you'll see it throughout the whole house. So really, really pretty how they kind of incorporated those styles throughout. You can kind of see there's a peek to the kitchen, but I actually went along this way and kind of take you to the kitchen. So up there is bedrooms. This door goes down to a basement, but I don't really like basements, but that's what it is. This door is a cute little half bath. Very kind of funky wallpaper, but really cute, and a lot of really cute designs in here. And then you come in here through the kitchen. You'll notice that brick again. And then this kitchen is absolutely beautiful with a really unique backsplash, pretty countertops, pretty colors on the cabinet. And this stove and oven combo is super nice. You've got your microwave hidden over here. And then again, I love just kind of that classic and antique elements that they brought into the house to kind of keep the historic charm to it. Cute little sink, almost like a scallop detail almost. And then in here, you've got a little pantry. Pretty nice. And then through here, you'll see you kind of got a little like bar area. And then you've got this built-in wine refrigerator into the wall, which is cooled and definitely is a statement in and of itself. And I love the flooring in there too. House was built in 1908, so kind of bringing in those elements, just super cool. Really unique. You can definitely see how they kept just some really cool features in this house. Definitely redid it, took it down to the studs, but kept a lot of really the original heart behind it. And then here is the dining room, really nice sized dining room, cool light fixture there. I honestly barely turned any lights on because there's so much just natural light in this house. It didn't even need it. So as we come through here, we're gonna go upstairs and start looking at the bedrooms. This actually has 3 stories. So the second story, you've got just a bedroom right here. Nice little bedroom, little closet tucked away there. And then across from it, you've got another little bedroom. Again, pretty windows overlooking the street. Closet there. And then you've got your laundry room, which I like the tile in here. You've got that brick still in here, a place for the washer dryer, little storage over there. So nice little laundry room here. And then this way, you've got a little bathroom that those 2 bedrooms would share. I like that tile. You saw that throughout the other parts of the house too. I like how they took the shower and kind of like kept it going. Looks really nice and continuous. That green color and the countertops through here. Really a cute little bathroom. And then this room would be your master. So you've got the brick over there, which again, I just love that they kept those elements there. And then you've got your master bathroom. So you come through here, you've got glass sliding door into the shower. And then you've got a tub over there, very, very antique looking, but all in one, kind of a wet room combination. You've got your toilet hiding there behind the door. You've got double sinks here in this vanity. And then your closet really has a lot of good space, I think. It's got a window in there. So you've got a place for dresses, shoes, some good racks, and then more space this way. So I definitely like this master. I think it's really cute, and really, I mean, it's a pretty good sized bed. I think it's a king, and they've got some seating at the end of it. They don't really have, I mean, small nightstands there, but they've got a little seating over here. So you could definitely do maybe even like a dresser here or something over here. So really good sized space, especially considering the age of the house, I think. Shows some really good sized rooms. And then there's another little story. And this one, I feel like the ceiling got a little bit shorter here, and we turn around, but then kind of back to normal ceilings. And you've got kind of a cute little, just like sitting area up here. Would make a good little playroom. That brick again. And you've got 2 bedrooms. These look pretty similar. Cute little sitting, reading nook. Kind of tuck the bed back in there. And, you know, space over here for a desk, seating, dresser. And then this bedroom looks pretty similar. Kind of a similar layout. And then through here you have a really cute bathroom, kind of similar styles, but different colors from the rest of the house. So I really like how they did that and brought it in. Okay, we're gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you one last look kind of at that living space, and then I actually wanna show you a surprise out back as well. I like the windows kind of within the staircase, kind of looking at that living space, front door as you come back down. And then one more look kind of through here. Again, I just think this kitchen with a little built-in bar area, that brick. It's an open floor plan, but definitely still has its own separation, which I think is really nice. You don't feel like you're right on top of each other. You have your space to cook, eat, live, and I think it's really nice. And so what I actually want to show you next, and we're gonna kind of hop over there, is kind of some of that backyard and that little she shed back there. Here, when we come out of that back door, you've got a cute little porch here, and you can see some really pretty big trees back here. You've got a garage here, which is really nice. You can kind of see you come through that way, and you've got your garage. And then I want to come back here and show you this little shed, because I think it's a cute little, you know, addition. Could be a lot of fun things. And actually I want to show you the back side of the house too. So kind of looking at it this way, really a cutie, definitely. So here in this little building, it definitely has more of that 120-year-old look to it. There's been maybe some updates, but definitely not as much. But I think this is just a great blank space. You could do, oh my goodness, a little business out here. You could do a little in-home yoga. You can do so much with this little space. I think it's really cute. I don't believe it has air conditioning yet, but you could definitely add a little unit to it, and definitely could do a lot with this space. So I wanted to kind of show you, as it's just a little fun bonus of this house, extra space kind of that comes with it. Plus you get the garage. So definitely think this is a really good space overall. And I just wanted to say thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you're thinking about moving and you like this house and maybe want to see some more like it in that Mesta Park area, then definitely feel free to reach out to me. If you just enjoyed watching this but want to connect and maybe see about moving somewhere else, then definitely feel free to reach out to me. I love getting to help people every single day and helping them find their dream homes. So again, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.